Good morning everybody. Now we have to study about the systems of units. There are four systems of units. First, CGS system. Second, FPS system. Third is MKS system. Fourth is SI. SI means System International. Okay. So we have to define all these systems and we have to try to understand all these systems of units. First, CGS system. So you can write the definition: a system in which the units of fundamental quantities length, mass and time are represented by centimeter, gram and second respectively is known as CGS system. It is also known as metric system or decimal system. After this, the second system of units, that is FPS system. A system in which the units of fundamental quantities length, mass and time are foot, pound and second respectively is known as FPS system. I repeat this definition: a system in which the units of fundamental quantities length, mass and time are represented by foot, pound and second respectively is known as FPS system. It is also known as British system because it was developed by British engineering. Okay. Now third, that is MKS system. MKS system, a system in which the units of fundamental quantities length, mass and time are represented by meter, kilogram and second is known as MKS system. It is also known as metric or decimal system. After this, the fourth system, that is SI. Its full form is System International. This system is the modified form of MKS system because in this system the General Conference of Weights and Measures added new fundamental quantities, because for the expression of every physical quantity these fundamental quantities were not sufficient. That's why the General Conference of Weights and Measures added some new fundamental quantities to the MK system. So these new fundamental quantities and their units and their symbols are as this table. You can understand. Initially, first of all, these fundamental quantities become 7 and two other fundamental quantities added to this, or these two fundamental quantities are known as supplementary fundamental quantities. This is serial number column. This is basic fundamental quantities. Basic fundamental mental quantities. Unit or fundamental units. Fundamental units. Fourth column is of symbol. Symbol of all these units. First, as you know, length, its fundamental quantity, sorry, unit is meter. Its symbol is small n. Second fundamental quantity is mass. Its unit is kilogram and its symbol is K small g, kg. Third is time. Its unit is second and its symbol is small s, or generally we use SEC. Fourth is temperature. Theta. Its unit is Kelvin and its symbol is K. Fifth is electric current. Electric current. Its unit is ampere. Its symbol is capital A. Sixth is quantity of matter. Quantity of matter or amount of substance. Substance. its symbol is, sorry, its unit is mole, and its symbol is MOL. And you have to keep in mind in the expression of symbols of these fundamental units, you have to keep in mind the letter which is capital always remains capital, and which is represented by small letter, then it should be always by small letter. Okay. Now seventh, that is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity, its unit is candela, its symbol is C capital small d. After this, two supplementary quantities. Serial number column, basic, in place of basic you have to use here supplementary. Fundamental quantities, fundamental quantities. Units, fundamental units, units or symbols. In this, first of all, plane angle. Plane angle means two dimensional. Angle two dimensional. Its unit is radian. Its symbol is RAD. A small RAD. Now, second, that is solid angle. Solid angle means three dimensional angle. Steradian. S. So note down these.